Hello everyone, welcome to Priyanka in Kitchen. Today I am making a very easy and a festive recipe, white Barfi with Oreo biscuit. Now take some Oreo and cut it into a small pieces. Keep it aside. Now heat milk in a pan. When it is boiled, add sugar, ghee. Now cook it till sugar gets melt. This process takes 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can see our sugar is melted. Now add milk powder in it. Cook it for 5 to 7 minutes till it gets thick. Cook it into a low flame. Stir it continuously. Don't let it stick in the karai. Now add elaichi powder, pistachio, Oreo biscuit and cook it for more 2 to 3 minutes. When it is ready, take off from the gas. Take a mold, put some sliced pistachio and put the batter in it. Now keep this in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. Now you can see it is done and it is looking so amazing. Now cut into slices. You can see our Barfi is made so perfectly. Thank you so much for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel.